Hey you guys, Family Fun 747, and today I'm going to show you something real special. Explosive chicken! Okay, there's nothing has been done to this chicken. It's just normal chicken. Open up our microwave. Okay, it's fried chicken. And it's cold. It's been in the refrigerator for a few hours, quite a few hours. Okay, so I turn on our turn this on, start it. Here it is. Also, I'd like to shout out to KSAJ Productions. I thank you for all those comments that you send me, and I'm not really sure. Whoa, did you hear that? It explodes. Try to zoom in on the chicken for you, or just do that. Yeah. Explosive chicken. See that? The chicken just rattled. That's awesome. Yeah. Explosive chicken. So, this is also a little reminder, KSAJ Productions. I will be making that video on my ships, all the ships that I've got built right now. And also check out PDK Films. They make some great Nerf wars. That was Milo. So, bye.